In this video, we will show you how to design a heart logo using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to the Insert tab, click on Shape and select the heart shape. Draw the heart shape on your slide. Adjust the size as needed. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, select Color. Duplicate the shape, change the color from Shape Fill. Adjust the size as needed. Select both, then align center and align middle. Go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Go back to Insert, click on Shape and select this shape. Draw the shape on your slide. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, select Color. Duplicate the shape, change the color from Shape Fill. Adjust the size as needed. Select both, go to Merge Shape, select Fragment and delete unwanted part. Go back to Insert, click on Word Art, select this. Again go back to Insert, go to Symbol, search Webdings here, scroll down, select and insert, then close and increase size. Go to Shape Format, select Color from Text field, Text Outline, make it no outline. Select All, go to Merge Shape, select Union, click on right button, go to Format Background, click on Pattern field and choose what you like here. I hope you enjoy this video on how to design a heart logo using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.